I had some critters getting into the house last year, and I noticed they're entering through a hole where the refrigerant lines from the air conditioner pass through into the house. So I sprayed in some expanding foam sealant, hoping that would stop them, but I came out and I saw that they chewed right through the foam and they're getting into the house again. So I'm going to spray it with some new foam, but first I'm going to stuff the hole with some stainless steel wool. This hopefully will slow them down. So you can buy them in these little pads, just stretch them out and jam them in the hole by an inch or so. Okay, now I'm going to spray it with some new foam, but I'm not going to use regular expanding foam. I'm going to use pest blocking foam, which has an ingredient called capsaicin, which is what makes hot peppers hot. So the idea is you spray it in there, and if they chew through it, they'll get that hot taste and hopefully stop chewing. But if they continue to go through, they'll hit that steel wool, and that'll definitely stop them. So now, once the steel wool's in place, just fill up the hole with more foam.
Simple Solutions is brought to you by Type Bond, the pro's advantage.